How to deposit Bitcoin BTC or USD into Metatrader 5. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can deposit BTC USD into your Metatrader 5 account. Now I'm going to be providing you a demo on using the Metatrader 5 for Windows, but you can actually still do this via the application of Metatrader 5. So you just have to download this into their official site, and this is going to be their client. Now for you to log in, just go into File, then choose whether you would like to log in directly from the client or from the web trader. Once you've logged in, all I have to do is to click this symbol here, and you should be able to see all the available brokers on your MetaTrader 5 account that you can link. So you just have to use this magnifying glass here to search and type in BTC. Click on the BTC symbol and make sure that the margin currency is into USD and show symbol. Once you hit on show symbol, it will automatically be relinked into your left side panels for you to be able to um, maximize the chart. And that is how you deposit Bitcoin BTC into USD from MetaTrader 5.